indices. Evaluate without using mathematical tables or calculators. So the question is here, 64 raised to power negative half multiplied by 27,000 raised to power 2/3, everything divided by 2 raised to power negative 4 multiplied by 3 raised to power 0 times 5 squared. So let's go straight to the solution. So we're going to begin by working the solution for the numerator, and for the numerator we're going to begin by 64. Now 64, we're going to do this one very fast. 64, if you write this one to the base of 2, will be 2 raised to power 6, and therefore working out these, 64 raised to power negative a half will therefore to 2 raised to power 6, then raise these to power negative a half, and these will give 2 raised to power negative 3. Then you go to the other one. The other one is 27 in these, so the other one will be 27,000 raised to power 2/3. So these we can split this one, be 27,000 as 27 multiplied by 1,000, and then we raise everything to power 2/3. This is equivalent to 27 raised to power 2/3 multiplied by 1,000 raised to power 2/3. And we can go on and simplify this. 27 written to the base of 3, 27 is 3 cubed, then we raise that to 2/3 multiplied by 1,000 is 10 cubed, and then we can raise these to power 2/3. This one, opening the brackets, we get this would be 3 squared multiplied by 10 squared, so that is 27,000. Therefore for the numerator now, for 64 raised to power negative half, we have 2 raised to power negative that multiplied by 3 squared multiplied by 10 raised to power 2. So that is the numerator. And when you look at the denominator is not that complex, so you can just divide everything. Denominator is simplified, is in simplest form, so 2 raised to power negative 4 multiplied by 3 raised to power 0 times 5 squared. So this is now what we need to work. So the main work was in the numerator. Now from here, what you're going to do, we are going to apply the laws of indices. When you're dividing, for instance, we are going to consider that when you're dividing, we subtract the powers. So 2 raised to power negative 3 divided by 2 raised to power negative 4, that will give 2. We subtract the powers like that, and this will give 2 raised to power 1, which is 2. Then we can proceed and take the other one, which is 3 raised to power 2 divided by that. So again we have 3 raised to power 2 divided by, you don't need to divide these. So when you are, you see, just when you're dividing and the base is the same, the laws of indices, subtract the power, so 2 minus 0, and this will be 3 squared. So we have now simplified 2 raised to power negative 3 and 2 raised to power negative 4. So for 2 raised to power negative 3, we have divided that and got 2. So now we have 2, then multiply by for 3 squared divided by 3 raised to power 0, we've got that is 3 squared, and then we have now what is remaining is 10 squared, everything divided by 5 squared. There's something here we can do. So 2 multiplied by 3 squared times, we can split n squared. We can write this one like this: 5 times 2 squared, which will give 5 squared times 2 squared, and then the denominator is 5 squared. When you look at this one will divide, and then we shall have 2 multiplied by 3 squared multiplied by 2 squared. And when you look at this, this will give, if we combine this and this, shall get 2 raised to power 3 multiplied by 3 squared, and this is the same as 8 times 9, and this will give 72 as the solution. And that is simply how you're supposed to work out that question.